Hey Glam Squad, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sarah, and here on this channel we create beginners makeup lessons for busy women in a few very easy to follow steps. We also do lots of other cool videos here, not just makeup lessons, so if you're interested, don't forget to hit subscribe before you leave. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my top 3 brushes for beginners. We're going to skip through all the BS and I'm going to show you just the top 3 eye brushes you need to have in your collection so you can achieve any type of eye makeup look that you desire. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. First up, we have the most popular brush out there, and in my opinion is a must-have for everyone's collection. I feel like if you have this brush, you can pretty much create any look. And this is the blending brush. So it is a long haired brush with loosely packed bristles. These brushes also come in different sizes. This brush works best for buffing and blending eyeshadow into the eye. It's great for softening out any harsh edges like you can see here, and it's also great for smoky eyes. The larger style blending brushes like I'm using now are so fluffy that they only pick up a small amount of product. These are best for sheerer looks or just for softening out harsh edges. The more average style blending brushes, which are probably the most common, like the one I've just swapped to now, these are really great for packing and building up colour. So they're great for smoky eyes or packing colour onto the outer corner like I'm doing right now. Blending brushes are also great for applying highlighter to the cheekbone and also applying colour to the inner corner and brow bone. Next we have the smallest size blending brush, and these are great if you have a really small eye shape or if you want to be really precise packing on that color. So this is a brush I'd use the least often, but if you do have a smaller eye shape, this brush is amazing. It's also great for creating spotlight eyes because it's so small in details that you do have so much more control. Next up, we have the pencil brush. So this is a very small, compact brush. Because this brush is so compact, it's really great for picking up a lot of product. So it's great for areas that you want a lot of pigment quickly. So for example, I find this brush great for blending precisely underneath your lashes. It's also great for smudging out your liner and creating a smoky eye. I also use it to push eyeshadow into the lash line. And this brush is also great for applying highlighter to the inner corner and also the brow bone. And lastly, we have the flat brush. This brush picks up color incredibly well. So it's great for applying colors to the lid area. It's also incredible for applying loose pigments and glitter. Again, these come in all different sizes and lengths. It really is just a personal preference. I think the smaller ones are great for packing color and being a bit more precise with them. They're the ones I always go for because I like to also pack on color in the inner corner and the brow bone. So that is pretty much it. That is my top 3 must-have brushes for beginners. Everything else is great and all brushes serve a good purpose. However, sometimes it can just get very overwhelming and it is always best just to stick with the basics. I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you leave for more content just like this one. If you have any requests or if you have any struggles with your makeup, please do let me know in the comment section and I'll create a video for you in next week's makeup lesson. Have a great day. Bye.